What is up, everyone? My name is Hallee Johnson. I'm a singer-songwriter musician here at VibeHub, and today you're going to learn a little bit about me. I have been singing since the age of 10, actually. My first introduction was operatic and classical music. What inspired me to start singing was my circumstances. Like, I was really sick, I wasn't in a good place, and music just came to me and just kind of saved my life in a way. And as cliche as it sounds, I've actually been able to use that to support me and also to inspire others. And to this day, this very moment, I love what I do. Music makes the most sense to me. The first song I've ever written was probably at around the age of 17. So I was starting a little bit late when it came to songwriting, but ever since then I haven't stopped. What inspired me to write my first song was actually a mentor of mine. He told me one day, he said, "Hallee, why don't you write your own music?" And I said, "Nah, I don't need to do that. Other people will write for me." He was like, "Oh, okay, other people will be making those checks for you too." And I said, "Wait a minute, yeah, I'm gonna start writing my own songs. It sounds like a good idea." So it was that push that got me there. But the moment I started, I realized how therapeutic it was and how much it allowed me to connect with others. So yeah, I've been writing for a while. I would have to say right now, my most favorite song I've written is called Photograph. When we first met, I felt so shy. I bet that you could see right through it. I admit, oh, I admit you're so beautiful from head to toe. And don't you know, you've captured my soul. I want you to be my photograph. Picture me there when you're feeling sad. Zoom in on my flaws, hang on my walls. I'll be there, I'll be there. So I see my future in music being absolutely abundant and unstoppable. I believe in myself so much and what I do and how much it inspires people, you know, to be the best versions of themselves, the most daring version of themselves. And it's like, I don't see any other route that makes more sense than this. So I plan on taking this all the way to the top. In fact, it's already happening. A few things about myself that no one would know unless they really got to know me is, one, I highly believe that popcorn is a food group. You can tell me otherwise, but it won't work. Second, I have a really high tolerance for pain. I really hope that doesn't come back to bite me in the butt later. But for instance, all my tattoos I got most of them done in one day. And third would be I also work as a professional hand model and body double. Temper your passion with patience, and that would be my word of advice. And what that means is, no matter how tough it's getting and whatever you're pursuing, whatever you're really passionate about, be patient with it too, because the more you keep going at it, the more of a chance it'll happen. Hey everyone, you just caught me on VibeHub. Go ahead and check me out on social media: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, SoundCloud, my website, Pure Hallee, Purehallele. Can't wait to see you.